All right, guys. So I had an oil pressure issue with my 2001 Pontiac Firebird. As you can see now, oil is at a stable level right there. Before, it used to be at a little bit above 60, and then after driving hot for a while, after the car was fully warmed up, it would like drop below 60. It would just drop below 60, almost reaching this line, and sometimes 2 times already the car would turn off. So I knew that the oil pressure switch was bad. Well, that was the intelligent guess. And we went ahead and went to AutoZone and bought one. After watching videos online, I saw people with the LS one, with the LS engines, that they had to do it all the way in the back. But thankfully ours is right there. There it is. There's an oil pressure switch. Super easy, super easy. Get yourself a deep socket, just get it right out of there. I used a big wrench from an awkward angle, but it's better to use the deep socket, and with a ratchet, and just undo that and just get yourself a new one. It's really easy. All right, guys, I bought the Duralast oil pressure switch, or oil pressure sending unit, whatever you want to call it. I bought the one from AutoZone, but you can get the other brands, pretty much do the same exact thing. Here's the old one, so you can take a look at how it looks. It doesn't go screwed in all the way, as you can see here. It was only screwed into about like the second line of the black sealant tape on there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. All you do is you take a deep socket ratchet, and you just unscrew it and install the new one. Don't litter. And yeah, it's a pretty easy job. Yeah, that fixed my issue. I don't think I'll be having the car dying anytime. So I'll see you guys later.